decided I wanted to do another realistic day in my life living in Montana. It is currently December, beginning of December, and we have no snow on the ground, which is crazy. And it's supposed to be in the 50s today, which is also crazy. So, kind of wanted to take you along to see what I would do. I have no plans currently today other than I need to go grocery shopping. I drank my coffee and did some reading this morning. I'm currently reading the third book in the Trial of the Sun Queen series. Very good, highly recommend so far. Sky would like to go for a walk, so I think I'm gonna go take her outside, and then Christian and I will head to Winco, go grocery shopping, and then we'll figure out what we want to do for Thursday. I would love to do something outside because the weather's so nice, but it's a Sunday, so all the popular spots are going to be really busy. So we'll see what I can convince Christian to do with me. Let's go. We just finished up at Winco. We spent $84.99, so now let's go home and unpack it and do some chores. After doing a few chores, I read a few pages before we went to a local recreation site called Cherry River and walked a few miles around in the nice sunshine. And now I think I'm going to read a little bit more and then work on some baking before it's time to make dinner. After I finished reading a little bit, we did some holiday baking, and then we are having homemade pizzas for dinner, so that's what we're currently working on. We made some haystacks, these like ranch flavored oyster crackers, Oreo balls. I did both like the vanilla and chocolate, and then I was making some sheet pan cookies, or cookie bars I think is what they're called, but my pan wasn't big enough and so they kind of spilled, but we'll just cut that part off. And our pizzas are going now. I made homemade focaccia, so hopefully they taste good. Well, now that dinner's over, I'm gonna get ready for bed and I'm gonna keep reading my book. I'm like 40% of the way through and I'm really enjoying it. It's like 6:45. I have to work tomorrow, so I'm just gonna read until I fall asleep. So thanks for following along today. Bye.